This is the next project. Brake upgrade kit for Zero. Not that there's anything wrong with those rotors and calipers. Those are the Miata Sport rotors and calipers. They're pretty good. They just weigh a lot. Like, it's a single piston iron caliper. It's a boat anchor. What I have here are a set of Dynalite calipers that I picked up off of eBay for 120 bucks, as they use a pretty standard size pad. I need a lot of compounds in this. It's the 7212 compound or size, pad size. I have Chikara Motorsport adapters. These are meant for a Miata. What they do is they adapt Dynalite calipers to use ND 11-inch brake rotors. And so that'll be a really good combination on the Zero. To make this happen, I'm turning up these guys. These are going to be adapters that will go from 1/8 NPT to M10 banjo. And that will let me keep the original brake lines, which is good, because I don't want to replace those. So imagine this is the Willwood caliper. There's a port on the back for 1/8 NTP. That's going to go into there, and then the banjo will just mount on top of that. The only reason that these aren't finished yet is because I fucked up. I need a bottoming tap, which I don't have. So I don't have a thread depth that's far enough, and I am not a good enough machinist to be able to single point turn an internal thread.